Hello students, good morning to all. Today's class we are going to discuss about mutations. The next topic is mutations, right? So let us start. So here mutations. So what is meant by mutations? Mutations are new, sudden, inheritable, discontinuous variations which appear in the organisms due to permanent change in their genotypes. So, what is meant by mutations? Mutations are new, sudden, inheritable, discontinuous variation which appear in the organisms due to permanent change in their genotypes. So, we discussed through the genes, through the chromosomes, whatever the characters of the parents is carry forward to the offsprings generally, and any type of changes which are takes place in the region of genes or chromosome, DNA material. So such type of the changes leads to causes different types of new modifications. So such type of the changes is called mutations. So mutations are new, sudden, inheritable, discontinuous variations which appear in the organisms due to permanent change in their genotypes. So any type of the change is occurs in the organisms means what? In the somatic cells any type of the change is occurs. Is there any modifications are there? No. So in the gametes, the region of the gametes, in the chromosome material, DNA material, any type of the changes takes place. The genotype is changed, means the genotype, genetic material is changed, then only changes appears in the organisms. Up to this clear? Right. Okay. Next point. Second point. The term mutation was first coined by Hugo de Vries. The Hugo de Vries proposed the mutation word. The word mutation was proposed by Hugo de Vries. Right? Okay. Third point. Genetic changes, variations in DNA normally occur in sexual reproduction due to recombination during meiosis. So genetic changes and variations in DNA normally occur in sexual reproduction due to recombination during meiosis. At the time of the meiosis, what happens? The genetic changes, variations in DNA is takes place. What is the reasons for variation in DNA? Because of the sexual reproduction is takes place. At the time of sexual reproduction, the recombination is takes place. So that only the genetic changes, variations in DNA is takes place. Okay, right. Fourth point, mutations are generally three different types of the mutations are exhibits by the organisms. Those are genomatic, chromosomal, and gene mutations. So mutations are three different types: genomatic mutations, chromosomal mutations, and gene mutations. There is three different types of the mutations or exhibits. Okay, right. So I'm revising these 4 points again. So first one, mutations are new, sudden, inheritable, discontinuous variations which appear in the organisms due to permanent change in their genotypes. The mutations are new. Why it is called new? Because until mutations are not takes place, there is no changes in the organism, right? So mutations are new, suddenly takes place, and inheritable. So whenever mutations are takes place in one region, one generation, it is not inherited to the next generation, and discontinues, it's not going carry forward to the next generation. And discontinuous variations means changes which appear in the organism due to where permanent change in their genotypes, permanent change in the genotypes. In the genetic material any change occurs, then only changes appears. Okay, right, those are called mutations. Okay, next, second point, the term mutation was coined by Hugo de Vries. The term mutation was coined by, proposed by Hugo de Vries. Okay, right. Next, third point. Genetic changes, variations in DNA normally occurs in sexual reproduction due to recombination during meiosis. So, during meiosis, due to the recombination in sexual reproduction, what happens? Genetic changes, variations in DNA generally takes place. Okay, so mutations are based on mutations places, based on mutation changes. Mutations are generally divided into three different types: genomatic mutations, chromosomal mutations, and gene mutations. Okay, so let us discuss what is genomatic, chromosomal, and gene mutations. Okay, first one, genomatic mutations. What is meant by genomatic mutations? Clear? Genomatic mutations means these are changes in the number of chromosomes. Genomatic mutations means these are changes in the number of chromosomes. In the number of chromosomes, changes are occurs. Such type of the mutations are called genomatic mutations. The genomatic mutations of means that these are changes. Genomatic mutations, these are changes in the number of chromosomes. The number of chromosomes are changed. Such type of the mutations are called genomatic mutations. Okay, right. There are two types. Genomatic mutations are two different types. Those are polyploidy and aneuploidy. So genomatic mutations are two different types: polyploidy and aneuploidy. So what is meant by polyploidy? The changes in the chromosomes, more than two sets of the chromosomes are takes place. Such type of the mutations are called, such type of genomatic mutations are called polyploidy. Poly means many. So what is meant by polyploidy? More than two sets of chromosomes changes are occurs. Such type of the genomatic mutations are called polyploidy. Okay, right. Aneuploidy. So what is meant by aneuploidy? One chromosome gain or loss is takes place. One chromosome is extra added or extra deleted, means one chromosome added or deleted. Such type of the changes is called aneuploidy. You understood or not? Right? So mutations are three different types: genomatic, chromosomal, and gene mutations. What is meant by genomatic mutations? These are changes in the number of chromosomes. In the number of chromosomes that takes place, such type of the mutations are called genomatic mutations. They are two different types. Genomatic mutations are two different types, or majorly those are polyploidy, aneuploidy. Polyploidy, more than two sets of chromosomes changes are occurs. Such type of the mutations are called polyploidy. And aneuploidy. So what is meant by aneuploidy? One chromosome gain or loss. Gain means add, extra add, or loss. Such type of the changes is called aneuploidy. Clear up to this? Right. So we will discuss next topics. We will discuss examples for polyploidy and aneuploidy. Okay. Right. Next, second type of mutations. Those are sixth point, chromosomal mutations. So what is meant by chromosomal mutations? They are changes in the number of arrangement of genes in the chromosomes, that is called chromosomal mutations. They are changes in the number and arrangement of genes in the chromosomes, right? So, genomatic mutations means what? These are changes in the number of chromosomes. Directly, number of chromosomes are changed. That is genomatic mutations. Chromosomal mutations means they are changes in the number and arrangement of genes in the chromosomes, right? So, on the chromosomes, what is presented? Genes are presented, right? So, in the changes directly takes place in the genes, that is called chromosomal mutations. Okay. So chromosomal mutations are also called chromosome aberrations. So chromosome aberrations are also called chromosomal mutations. So what is meant by chromosomal mutations? The changes which is takes place in the number and arrangement of genes in the chromosomes. Okay, right. Next, the third type of mutation. What is third type of mutation? Gene mutations. So what is meant by gene mutations? These are changes in the form and expression of genes. So what is meant by gene mutations? These are changes in the form and expression of the genes. Such type of the mutations are called gene mutations. Directly, the number of genes and arrangement of the genes in the chromosomes is takes place, that is called chromosomal mutations. And these are the changes, form and expression of the genes. So in the genes, the changes in the form and expression of the genes, the structure of the gene is changed. Such type of the mutation is called gene mutation, right? Gene mutations means completely the structure, means form and expression of the genes is changed. Then that type of the mutation is called gene mutation. Okay, so there is three different types of mutation: genomatic mutation, chromosomal mutation, and gene mutation. Genomatic mutation means the changes in the number of chromosomes, that is called genomatic mutation. So chromosomal mutation means the number and arrangement of genes is chromosomal mutation. Gene mutation means form and expression of the genes, in-depth expression of the genes, that is called gene mutations. Up to this clear? Hope all of you understood up to this. And next class we'll discuss regarding about what is the reasons for mutations, and there is a deep discussion regarding about mutations. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.